Hey guys, today I am going to be having this, or trying some toxic waste. So, there's like red, yellow. I found a new flavour in a sweet shop, yeah? Purple. I haven't actually seen this before. Put it in the description if you have. So, leave a like. So yeah. I'm going to be having these. Okay, let me just open it. Just open it. Open it. See it open. So, dunk them all out. So there's blackcurrant, grape, blueberry, blackberry, black cherry, black cherry, blueberry, blackberry, blueberry, and then black cherry. So there's 5 different flavours. So let's get to it. So I'm going to try blackcurrant first. Okay. Blackcurrant. Just open it.